This short is on the ads from the 1980 Wonder Woman. We start right off with the Corgi superhero cars. Boom. You got the Superman stuff, which otherwise in the helicopter for the Daily Planet, the rest of the Supermans were fairly easy to find. I've never seen the Wonder Woman. I've never seen the Flash. Batmobile and the Batcopter, real easy. Motorcycle, not so much. Joker van, I've had several times. The Penguin vehicle, never had that. Gotham police car, I've had several times. So it's a mixed bag of easy and hard. Next ad up, the MPC Golden Wheels. Which, you know, those are some great kits from my youth. The Fun Factory Super Gifts and Gimmicks, where it combines all the old novelty gifts from the backs into one ad. New chattering teeth and all that good stuff. Batman and Professor Plutonium selling you Twinkies. House ad for Superman Family. Sea Monkeys, because everybody loves their brine shrimp. Another house ad. Another house ad. A grid ad. Trying to get you to subscribe to Justice League. Cartoon Pimpin'. The Plastic Man on ABC. The Holiday Special. Almost done. Monogram, who, you know, they're showing off their whole variety. You got planes and trucks, cars. You know, a little space shuttle there. 132 Romans are still around in 80. And Star Trek's motion picture finishes us off.